I've got two broken manifold studs sticking out for a lad. Actually in a manifold flange, it's steel flange and there's no access to it. I've got to make two long drills, otherwise it means dismantling half the car to get the manifold off. The manifold studs are just 5/16, so I'm going to go through with a little pilot drill hopefully, then drill them out to 8.5 and I'll be able to put it in 8mm nut and bolt through, because it is access to get your hand to the top. That's for the small one and that's for the big one. It's just whatever I had handy. So I'm just going to square the ends up, drill them, and then we'll fasten the drills in. I'll just braze them in, and obviously we'll use this drill to drill the hole for that one, and the same with that one. And this once the threads turn off, so I can grip it and re-chuck. I have got some long drills, but I haven't got any long enough, so we'll make these two, and then I'll probably try and take the camera over to the lad's garage and do a little bit of video of them coming out. I've got no idea what this is, it doesn't make any difference, it's just as long as I can drill it and braze it, it'll be alright. Just clean it up so it'll grip with the chuck quite nicely. Got it nice and deep with the countersink, and that'll leave a little, with the centre drill rather, and that'll leave a nice little well for the hold a little bit extra brazing material. It's a nice sharp cobalt drill. So that drill's going to go into there like that, and then braze around there. This is really crap material. Turn the threads up, I'm going to take the nasty zinc coating off. You don't want the zinc to boil off and we're brazing it. It's not very nice for you. I've been given some flux impregnated brazing rods, so I'm going to try using these. I normally use silver solder and separate flux, but I'll give these a try and see what happens. Melting point's a lot higher than silver solder, and it's still, I don't like it. Don't like that very much. I'll try what I normally use. Clumsy bastard. Little bit of flux around there, easy flow. Silver solder flux is what I normally use. Right, and that's definitely running in a lot better than that. It's probably alright for brazing cars together, but no good for this sort of work, but that has gone in there absolutely beautifully. Right, that's as close as I can get with this new lens, and we'll see what. That looks pretty good. Basically all I've been doing this week is playing with this macro lens I've got, just to try different things. I'm not putting any wet flux in the hole, because what normally happens when you do that is it creates steam and pops the drill out. So I'm just dipping the rod at the powdered flux. Right, that ran round there like it ran round there beautifully. That's the way it's supposed to work. I'm just going to try this flux cord run on a little bit of steel plate just to see what's actually going on with it. It's certainly going in there alright. It'll be good for the job like repairing the body fluid at sump. You can fill a hole in with it. I've got quite a few of them, so it would be a shame not to put them in some sort of use. And that's on top of the middle scale on the plate, so it is. I have got a use. There's a silicon bronze rod lying on the bench here, TIG brazing rod. I'm going to try running some of that in. I've not actually used that with gas, just to see what happens. I'll need to use a little bit of flux on it. With a TIG brazing, you don't use any flux. TIG brazing rods are made out of, I think it's copper and tin, where your brazing rods are copper and zinc. This melts at a higher temperature, and it's obviously designed for, it's not designed for doing that. It's nowhere near as fluid as a brass. It's designed for TIG brazing. I've got an ordinary old-fashioned solid brazing rod. I might as well give that a try when I'm here. Little bit of flux and then it's right on the edge of this. And that's more controllable than the flux impregnated rod. That's proper old school. Using that stretch quite nice, that. But the edges have been only raising like that. And the heat source I'm using is oxypropane. Did anybody guess what it was for? One of the first parts for the gas turbine build that's going to be taking place very shortly indeed. That's 1/4 mil, that's exactly as it comes off the plasma cutter. A little bit of work with a die grinder. It's easier to spot those holes through and drill them than it is to cut them on the plasma. Once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, it is important. Anyway, thanks for watching.